everyone, today we are doing another unboxing, a brand new product from iFi, the Thomas Anderson, wait, not yet, dude. The Thomas Anderson of products, get it? Get it, Ross? Neo Thomas Anderson, also known as the One. So, come on, okay, so here it is, the Neo. Look at that, can you get it close on this, Angel?
Yep.
See, look at that. Get it? It's the Matrix. Thomas Anderson. Are you seeing a pattern here, guys? All right, so here we go. Let's check it out. The Neo iDSD Ultra HD DAC and headphone amp from iFi. Woo! I like iFi. It's new. You might have seen a video Drew did a while ago talking about an overview of the products. I just released a product overview too on our blog. We can link to that in the description below. Look at that. I mean, it's nice. It's nice packaging. There she is. There she is. It's like aluminum. It's really shiny, shiny silver. This little port protector in the back. You gonna put in sound effects like you usually do? Okay. We got boxes, inside boxes, inside more boxes. So this is a 3-in-1. It's, the Neo is a DAC, it's an amp, and it also has streaming capability via Bluetooth connection. So here's your wall wart, I hate that word. Wall wart. It's your AC adapter. All right, we have our USB RCA. A little remote. It's nice. Little feet. If you want to lay this. So the nice thing about this that I really like is that it has dual orientations. So you can either sit it down on the ground like so, or you can stand it up on its side with the included little stands here. They definitely don't skimp on accessories with iFi products, I have learned. So, look at that. See how this works? A little shimmy in there. Bam! Look at that. It's nice looking, right? Okay, what else we got? Silica gel pack, yeah, that's nice. Warranty card, user manual, and the antenna. So the antenna here just kind of screws on the back, like so. Bing! So there it is. All right, so we're a little more organized here. All of my chaos is now on the ground. So Ross laid out this wonderful ambiance here. Isn't it lovely? Everyone say, well done, Ross. Very nice. Okay, so let's talk about this thing a little more. So on the front, you know, we have the LCD screen, which is right here. It actually auto-orientates depending on how the device is being laid, which is really, really nice. We have the volume knob here, which also I think doubles as the menu select and navigation. We have our input source, select, power, 4.4, and our 1/4-inch headphone jacks here on the front. On the back, so we have the antenna, then we have our power, USB, we have our optical, coax with a cover over it. And then we have our XLRs and RCAs. So one of the really, really cool things that I was interested, or that I'm interested in checking out about this is that they have, in their marketing, they have this puppy on top of an Xbox. And they say movies and gaming upsampled. And that leads me to think, first off, that it's an upsampler. But in all of my research, I don't think it actually upsamples the music or the audio per se. But they're just using it in a sense that it makes a good accessory to gaming, to your Xbox, PlayStation, PC, whatever have you. So I'm interested in checking that out. So let's talk about the DAC. iFi uses their Burr Brown chipsets. Typically they are very neutral and balanced as far as the sound signature goes. So I'm interested. In a minute, I'm gonna convince Ross to let me listen to it here. So I'll be interested to I guess, hear how this sounds compared to other iFi products. I'm guessing it's not gonna be that different, but we will certainly see. So again, we talked about this being a DAC, it also being an amplifier. I don't think it actually has that much power. Let me check the specs here. I mean, it's gonna be great for most headphones. Okay, so balanced output, we have 6.4 volts, unbalanced 3.25. I mean, that's fine. 5.7 volts at 32, and then we have 3 volts at 32 for unbalanced. So again, if you're a gamer, I doubt you probably have $3,000, $4,000 headphones that you're gonna wanna plug these things up to. Probably for really power-hungry planars, it's not gonna work. But, you know, you're also looking at a $800 price point for this DAC amp. What else we got here? So Bluetooth, again, it's wireless as well. You're looking at all of the current codecs. What do we have here? aptX, aptX HD, aptX Adaptive, aptX LL, LDAC, LHDC, and then of course your standard AAC and SBCs. That's a pretty good selection. That's pretty much everything you're gonna need. I wanna hear it real quick. So apparently I read that this thing can run off of the USB power, but of course, if you're wanting the best audio possible, you're gonna wanna give it as much power as you can. Hey Ross, can you give me those headphones over there?
Yeah, how about these?
Great! The new 109 Pros from Meze Audio. Interesting. So I think right off the bat, one thing I will notice, am I yelling? Sorry. Sorry. One thing right off the bat that I did notice, this does sound a touch brighter than like the Griffin or the Diablo. There's definitely more like top end sparkle. Yeah. Also, sorry, am I yelling again? So also, please note that we figured out that the remote doesn't actually come with a battery inside of it. So you're definitely gonna wanna get a CR 2025 to go with that if you get a Neo. But yeah, I mean, ultimately I think the I/O, the sound, the versatility of this DAC amp makes it a really good pairing for a lot of different ergonomic scenarios. So I'm gonna be working on the written review for the iFi Neo very, very soon. So stay tuned for that. So iFi Neo, iDSD headphone amp DAC, $799. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you want more audiophile reviews, unboxings, videos just like this. And as always, thanks for watching.